As you might have seen on my Instagram or Facebook account, I did get the new Animal Crossing New Horizons Monopoly. I'm going to challenge Dad to a game. It's game on, Dad. Okay, let's get started. So before we start, we have each player gets 10 bells, 5 of these bell coins, and 1 of these bell bags, which is equivalent to 5 bells. Also 10 character tokens, which match up to your character. Alright, so let's begin. I'll roll first. 3. So I do 3 spaces, and if on the Nook Cranny die, if I roll the butterfly, I have the option to sell the butterfly if I have a little resource of it, but I do not have a resource.
So you put your character token on there.
Yeah, and collect 1 of these resources, which also has an amount that you can sell it for. So this one is 2 bells.
Okay. 5.
Ooh.
5.
Put your token on. And pick up a resource.
10 bells.
Oh, good start. You did get the wild, so did you want to start that?
No.
Alright. 4. 4 bells. Oh.
Token on the purple one. And
Technically. Oh, you didn't put them
put
out.
these ones out.
Just select one random.
So there's meant to be an apple.
Yep.
So I've got one that is worth 6 bells.
Ooh. Not a bad start.
What are you doing that? We'll get the rest of these
Alright.
ready.
5. Now, if you land on the Dodo airline spaces, you can travel between whatever space you landed on of Dodo Airlines to the next Dodo airline space, which is a quarter of the board. So
Or anywhere in between.
or anywhere in between. I am going to go here. No, actually, I'm gonna go to here. So I just randomly pick one out. That's a fish. Alright, we have 4 bells. This is usually the familiar start of like this ones. Alright, your turn. Oh, you're still turning up. Right. 2. That's me.
That's you. That would help. So 1 orange.
Okay, I have to put my token down.
Which gives me another 6 bells.
Oh, that's not bad. No.
Tough bells.
1. And I will sell. So when you want to sell,
Free parking. You can't do anything.
I have
Do nothing.
myself.
Okay. So you can sell the fish.
Yeah, so I've got-
on the day.
I've got 2 fish here, so I can
What
sell.
about fossil? Is there fossil or fish?
It's
What are they?
fish.
Fish.
So I have 2 fish here. They're both 4, so I can sell them for $8 with a bone. Which I will do. Just have a little bank there. And it's your turn. Alright, your turn.
Okay, just put some of the right spot. Okay.
4.
Those. It's only 2 bells. Flag up front there. Your go.
I go. 15. No. Whoops. 3 there. 2 bells. That is very convenient for the fact that I have the same.
Cool.
What did you get?
So I've got 2, so I've landed on Josh's island, so we both get to take one of the resources.
Yeah, what did you
I
get?
got a 4 bell.
And I got a 6 bells.
And I've got a fossil, which would give me 2, which is 20.
Alright,
So,
my turn. 2, 3, 4.
Wow.
You can't. You have to roll your way out, but it's a bit different because you have to roll 3 or 4 more to get it out.
4 more to get out, that's pretty easy.
That's why.
Alrighty, we're racking up some islands all the way around. So another 6 bells.
Oh, that's not
and
bad.
there was a wild.
Yep. So you can sell anything from there.
So let's see, I might sell.
Oh, that's big.
I might sell my butterflies. There's a total of 16.
That's big.
So I get 16. Thank you. Now, so you have to roll 4 of them.
Yes. Now.
5.
So you have to pick up one as well.
Cool.
I got 6 bells. You
I
probably.
got 6. Should I go 6?
Yes, I got 6.
Got the same. That's weird.
Right, so then. I hope for a 1.
Now, I'm actually going to buy one of the decorations.
Which one are you going to buy?
Because the object of the game is to get 7 of these. We've got 3 overturned.
Yeah.
So I can buy one for 25 bells, 15 bells, or 5 bells.
And you don't know what the next
And
one's
this
going to
is how many Nook.
Yeah.
Is that called Nook miles?
be. Nook miles.
That's how many Nook miles you get on the end.
So you
I
get
know
double Nook miles.
Nothing about Animal Crossing.
Well, once you.
I will buy the one for 15.
Ooh, that's a shock.
15.
We've got 3 25s out there.
But I've got my first one.
Yeah.
More important.
Yeah, more important.
1, 2, 3.
So chance card.
Chance card. First time tonight. Uh-oh.
Go to jail.
The work of art you bought is fake. At 5 bells. Really not what I need
I have a bit.
after buying.
I have a bit of an instant regret.
But the beauty of it is I have a wild card on the, what do you call that dice?
The Nook Cranny die.
The Nook Cranny die
Nook's
is a
Cranny.
wild, which means I can sell any of my, it's called resources.
Yeah.
So I'm going to sell my apples because I have 2 of them, and that's going to give me 10. Back in the game.
Free parking, and it is apples, and I have 3, so I'm going to do
You
that.
can only sell 1 though, it's not a wild.
One.
If it comes up as an apple on the diet, you can sell 1. If it comes up as a wild, you can sell all
I'm
of
just
that
gonna,
type of
I'm just going to
resource.
sell. I'm going to sell my 6 bell apple. So I could get 6 bells. So
There is some up here. Take it off. My goal.
yeah,
I don't think I will purchase anything as yet.
not me neither.
1. Maybe I should have. Oh,
I bet you this is 10 millions.
6.
Ooh, and it's a fishy.
Fish. And
Did you want to sell
yeah, look, that gives me 6 more. Why not?
it?
I'll go.
Ooh.
Got your stash hidden out of shots. Should put that in shot so we can see what you've got.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, Nook Miles card. Pick of the bunch. Give 2 apples.
Can't see it.
So it's pick of the bunch. I have to give 2 apples to receive a total of 5 Nook Miles, which I can easily do that now. And receive my 5 Nook Miles. And it is a butterfly, and I will sell my butterfly.
So you can turn that card over.
Yeah. And
keep it with your stash.
And
for
I
now.
will sell my butterfly, because I have a butterfly, up for 6 bells.
So since he's paid his debt on the card, he gets to keep that card face up to the end of the game.
Yeah.
So it counts as the 5 Nook miles when we add up at the end of the game. Once somebody's got 7
And yeah,
of the,
decorations,
decorations.
and everyone's back to go.
then we can add up who
Yeah.
has got. Do we
Yeah,
have to get back to go? I thought we did.
yeah,
It's
we
just
have to.
7.
We have to. That's the point. But you can't buy anything.
That's pointless. Established.
No,
2.
no wonder. It is pointless.
And I've got a wild card. That's a 6.
Oh,
And a butterfly. racking up those bags.
3, 4, 25. I am going to buy my first item. I am going to get the Animal Crossing New Horizons Nintendo Switch, which will give me 50 miles and puts me in front of him by 25 miles. 25? 15? No, 25.
You okay?
No, 15.
Should we turn one of these over?
Yep. Or was it? Or has it?
20.
That's good. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Welcome to my island.
I got 6. I bet you got 10.
I did get 10.
Far out. How am I always guessing yours correctly?
10 apples.
No. 3.
3.
1, 2, 3. So you have to pick up the card.
Okay, so when we hit go for the first time, we get to pick up a skill card, which looks like that.
Oh,
is the
no.
skill card. And my skill
It's
says,
the same as last night.
Bellringer. When you sell a resource at Nook's Cranny, collect an extra 3 bells.
Didn't you get that one last time?
I did. So every
That's
time
what
I
we
sell a
want as well.
resource, I get an extra 3 bells. I get to keep that for the whole game. So every time I sell, I will get an extra 3 bells.
Yeah, you got that last time. It's a fossil.
And it's a fossil which, yeah, look, let's sell that. So this fossil's worth 2 bells, but since I have the Bellringer card, I get 5 bells. Another bag.
Oh my god, right. I got to get a 5 or 6.
4 it is.
1,
It's the
2,
big
3,
fish.
4. Right,
The big fish.
please hope this is not 2. I got the first 10 finally. Took a little while, but got there, and it's wild. I'm gonna tell that Mr. Fish off. He's gone.
2 bags up here.
Yeah, 2 bags.
Alright, my go, huh?
Let's see what we get.
I am gonna buy.
Oh, I know which one you're going for as well.
I'm gonna
The
buy.
25 one, obviously.
I'm gonna buy 25, so I've got 5 bell bags.
Oh, that's a good decision as well. That was a pretty good decision.
Which gives me
A grand total
a
of
simple
800
DIY
miles.
workbench, which is worth just a measly 50 Nook miles at the end of the game, which should punish Josh nicely. It puts me on 80.
and I'm on 55.
That's my go.
Oh, yes, it is.
5.
And it's a fish. You got no fish. You can see us. I've got no. You've got no fish. This one, I hope I do not get the same score as last night. 1, 2, 3, all chance card.
Pay some money. Do you want to show us what the card said?
Yes.
I'm not a bug and I will not be squished. You tried to catch your villagers, flee and hit them instead. That's a damn shame. Pay 3 bells, Josh.
And my card is shot to it. So every time I buy a decoration, I can subtract 3 bells off it, which would prove nicely.
Possibly. Are you there? Right?
Yes.
That's here. That's me now. 4 bells on.
Notice if you run out of
fossil,
tokens.
and I've got a wild. So being wild, I'm going to sell my 2 apples, which are worth 16.
Oh.
Plus, I get 3 extras for my Dorian card, so 19. 19 for my 2 apples.
She's like, I've only got 12 bells. It's a bit
I
embarrassing.
have got. What have I got currently?
You've got
32 bells.
right, my turn. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just visiting.
It's an apple, and I will sell that. 6 bells.
Yeah.
But it sucks I don't have that card. I do have the subtraction card though, which I'm pretty lucky with.
So let's go to the Nook's Cranny. Is that where I'm buying from? Is that what we call it?
Oh no. What mistake
It's another 4 bell bags there, so that's going to give me another card there for 20 bells, which is the.
It's the same though. Don't not
what
worry.
did I buy? It's the Cherry Blossom Branches, which is worth another 40 Nook miles.
That might
And that's my 3rd decoration.
that might be a mistake
Why?
because my next move might prove to be costly.
Why not? Might go.
Or
One
one with the white.
chance.
I hope this says pay. Do not collect.
It's time to pay your moving fee. Not too bad. Pay the 2 bells.
What? I have to pay more for a bug. I have to pay more for smacking someone in the head, and you have to pay less for moving fees.
Just 2 bells. I think I can cope with that.
Oh my god. How does that work? Smacking
And it's a wild.
God damn it.
I don't have much. I might sell my fossil, which is 4, plus my 3 for my bell ringer card, so I'm going to get 7.
I have no idea, and I think you were pretty lucky with that card. I just randomly juggled and got that card somehow. I reached
There's only 4 to choose from.
Right, my turn. But I'm going to buy that Frozen Arc, and I do have the -3 of any cost.
So it costs 20, so you're going to be paying 17 bells.
Yep. So which leaves me 1 bell.
Well,
My second
I
item.
hope you don't land on a chance and can't pay then.
I don't know what happens. Would I just give up one of my
I
cards?
think that'll be the end of the game. Oh, that's a cheapie.
Oh. I can buy that still,
You
technically.
probably could. So it's my go.
It's my go.
Oh, yeah.
I never
still
roll.
go. Roll.
Do not roll it.
5. That's me. I'll have one of them. 4.
And I got 4. How is it we get the same? What is it? Wild? No, not yet.
I'll sell. What have I got here? I've got 17 bells.
You've only the 10 is the dearest one there. That's what I can say.
Let's take that.
Ooh.
I'm
The
going to
big
start
fest-
accumulating
the
so we
big
can get this
festive
game done. So I bought the big
That was a
festive
good-
tree for 10 bills, 20 knot miles. Not huge, but it gives me 4 of them. So
Okay.
this game could be finished by the end of the lap if I keep going.
Okay. So at the moment.
3. Then landed on the same again.
Okay. At the moment, the dearest thing in
10 birds. All butterflies.
at the
If
moment.
only I had a wild.
At the moment, dearest thing there is 5 birds, but I can buy that for 2, 2, and 1.
Got to move your card so we can see what you've got.
I've only got 2 items, but I do have that not mile achievement. I've got 95 at the moment. You've probably got like 150, let's say. It came very close right at the end as well. 5. 3. It better not be paid.
Pay.
Game over.
What is it? It's pay 3.
I'm just going to give up one of my cards, to be honest.
What's your resource worth?
My resource,
What's that butterfly worth?
4.
Maybe you can give that up.
I will. But I'm going to get 1 mil back because it's 4. Unless it's pay 3. I will give.
Man, you can take 1 bill, that's fine, yeah. I'm not sure that's within the rules, but that's how we're playing.
Yeah. Well, I could buy any item there now, all of a sudden.
Yeah, it's my go again.
I know. What are you going to do? You're going to buy one of the 5s because that's what is there.
Yeah, I think I will.
Which
I've
one do you
only
want?
got 7, so...
The picnic basket's been there since the beginning. It has not been touched.
It doesn't really matter what I buy, does it? Just as long as it's got the same miles.
Yes, as long as it's got the same one.
I'm going to get the illuminated present for my 5 bills, which gets me my 10
That might have been a
Not
costly
very
mistake.
far, but again, now I've got 5. Can't quite
We're
see
both
that.
down to 2 bells. But I think.
So
What did I get?
5 decorations, which
I
means
just
I'm 2 away from ending this thing. Free biking.
Yeah.
Fish, and I don't have any.
Go. All 6.
You in jail again? I think you are. Bye-bye.
Rounds!
Don't really selling in there.
I haven't even got any resources.
I can't afford to buy anything. So
Because you don't have that cheap card.
4, Dodo.
Oh my god,
Dodo,
man.
I'm gonna go Jumbo. Well, I might as well go there and make it mine.
I wonder if we don't have tokens.
I'm not sure.
Not again.
Paid off big time. He's come up with the 10.
Oh, you are
10
kidding.
bells.
Right.
What was on the
It was fossil.
fossil? So I'll sell that straight away and I'll get my 3 for my bell ring card. So that's going to give me 13 bells.
And I still have to roll.
Which is disaster for Josh.
I still have to roll.
Because it's getting close to my 7 cards. 2. Not getting out of jail with that one. Time to buy.
Oh no.
Time to buy.
You can
I
only buy
say.
one thing at a time. There's the oh no, I know what he's going for. No, you can't afford that. Can't afford that because he hasn't got that card
I'm
on.
gonna have to go to cheapie. I'll have the $5, the $5 one thing.
Finally, we've already bought
Okay.
starting cards.
4.
Oh, That's a bit.
Bought the picnic basket.
You've got
So the 5 bells give me an extra 10 miles, and I'm down to my last card, my last decoration card.
I thought 5 to go. What? But everyone has to go, so
6.
I can still collect resources and sell. No, I'm never gonna get out of a jar. Still collect resources.
So I can collect more resources, obviously, than 7. If you're allowed to buy, I surely must be allowed to buy. That's
Yeah.
6.
And I got 2.
bells. And what's on there is wild. Look out. I'm going to sell my 3 butterflies, which is 10, 4, 4, so 18, plus 3 for
21.
the bell ringer.
21.
21 bells.
No, you can't. Oh no, this is my last round.
For somebody who knows nothing about Animal Crossing,
For the fact you win the first 2
doing
games.
pretty well.
Alright.
Undefeated.
This roll.
Undefeated in Animal Crossing Monopoly.
I am out this roll. 3. I'm out.
Welcome to my island.
Oh, for God's sake, if you got a 10, I'd be.
I got 10. No, I got 4. But
Oh, you got 4 as well. Alright, butterfly.
no. Good for you. And it's time to buy.
Oh no,
It's
no.
time to buy the tree, Bounty Big Tree for my 20,
We'll just see what the last item is.
which is going to give me another 40 miles.
Are you kidding me?
Which means we are now on our way to go.
Well,
Oh,
But you can't sell resources, is all I can say.
but if you've reached go, that's the end of the game, and you're right there.
That's you. I'm
Oh,
there.
yeah, that's true. So once you reach go, it's finished.
Once I reach.
But I can keep going and buying until
No,
you do.
no, you cannot.
You can't just keep buying resources. That's
No,
not
I
fair.
can keep getting resources, but I can sell them. You can sell resources.
No, but you can't buy more decorations.
I
What
can't.
was
No
it?
one can buy more decorations. It just means you can get resources.
So what's the point in waiting for you to get to go? Because you can't buy more miles.
If I get next miles, can't.
Okay, whatever.
And you're done.
Alright.
But
But
and you
I've
have
got
one.
my apples, so I can sell my apples for another 4 bells, but there's not much point. But
7 because you're
7
built.
indeed.
I've only got 2
I
bells.
don't think we've got that rule quite right yet, but
I guess we're fine.
that's how we're playing tonight anyhow.
Alright, so you just go there. Finished. 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Advance to go.
Pay 2 by the end of the game to gain 5 miles.
Well, it's a way of getting to
I
the
keep rolling 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Dodo. Go to Dodo. You don't want to go to Dodo, you want to go as short as possible.
Yeah. That's why I'm going to go there. No, this is a 10. 4. And it what was on it? An apple. I also that. So let's get some more guns. I have 6 bells. Embarrassing. Do not roll to 3. 5. At least I got my 5 miles.
What did it say, Josh?
Pay 2.
Showing us. Never had something quite like this before. Sure is different. You give a villager a gift, but isn't their style. Pay 2 bells.
5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can pick up 4. And so while I can sell my 2 fishies for 6 bells,
Not going to do you much good though.
I still have 1 resource, so I might as well just get rid of that.
So
I have to get rid of the resource for the bells.
But no, you don't. You didn't get a chance to sell it.
So does that means I still accumulate 4
You're
bells?
stuck with it.
No, I still accumulate 4 bells. Each of those goes back in. And we're done.
Done.
I definitely do.
Pretty think sure that I have. I just added my penny now. I've got 40 miles.
Just
10 miles is 60, 20 miles is 80, 40 miles 120, 50 miles 170, 30 miles I have 200 Nook miles,
you
Josh.
doubled me. I got 100.
100 Nook miles.
Yeah, but
for you.
I had 2 of the dumb 5
We
cards.
have a winner. The fisherman has done the job yet again.
It's only because of that card.
Fisher person.
I was hoping
Politically
you get-
correct Animal Crossing, I'm assuming.
I was hoping you'd get the purple card because then you would have been screwed.
There you go. Undefeated Animal Crossing champion
Not for long.
of Monopoly.
Not for long.
Knowing nothing about Animal Crossing.
That's not true.
I know nothing. I know more about Animal Crossing now, but I've actually played Monopoly than I do about the game. So there we go.
Fine. So screwed me. He's the champion of the Animal Crossing New Horizons Monopoly 2 in a row. Thank you guys for watching again. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel so you never miss another update. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Twitch. And make sure to friend me on Snapchat as well. See yous!